here, and it is time now to start entering tickets or logging issues. So let's say I've reviewed this website. I've noticed a few things. I'm going to go here and I'm going to click new issue, and I'm going to say logo and footer doesn't render in Internet Explorer 6 because of course. And I could write some additional context like checked in cross-browser testing using Windows Vista profile. Sifter also has Markdown. It supports Markdown. So if I wanted to use some common Markdown things like that I can preview by clicking this handy dandy preview button, and look, I did it right. You can also click this little tooltip for formatting tips. It'll give you some more information there. So I can also drag and drop or browse for screenshots or any supporting screen caps or anything like that. Something that's really handy. I found that the more information that you can provide here in this summary, the better. So that's kind of the main thing. And then over here, I've got some different fields that I can choose from. So I can set the priority. That's pretty high. And let's see, Caitlin's going to take care of that for me. And it's part of our internal review. And it is a global issue. So I've got everything how I want it. I'm going to create the issue. And there it is. So let me create just a few more so I can show you how some of the filtering works. Increase. This is something I say almost every time we design something. Increase padding on right and left. This one is not as important. We're gonna have Calvin take care of it. And let's see, let's make this part of, let's pretend that this is a client submitted thing here. If I want to speed up my workflow a little bit, instead of create issue, I can hit create and add another. And that takes me right back into an edit screen so that everyone can see everything at once. This is critical, gotta happen. And Ashley's gonna help us put that one together. And that's part of our, and then let's see, make the logo bigger. I'm gonna take care of that one. That's gonna be my launch thing, and that's gonna be on the contact page. I want to make the logo bigger. And I'm going to actually make that a low priority. All right, so here is my list of issues that I kind of quickly generated. You see by default, they are sorted by priority. And I know that because this priority filter is bold. So this is showing me, you know, by priority, how many issues I have, what are they? Before we get into the filtering, let's talk about managing tickets.